Hey, this is Nate with Kick-Ass Marketers. Thanks for reaching out in the Power Washing, Soft Washing, Window Cleaning Worldwide group on Facebook. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of your site. I won't take up too much of your time. I know you got a business to run. I want to go over 3 things that you can do today that can help improve your ranking on Google. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks, and we'll get into what those are. I'll start with the content. With Google, content is king. They generally want to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage so that you can get those keywords and key phrases in there organically. Google can't see all the pictures and everything. Your site looks great, but Google can't see anything except the words that are typed on the screen. So they're really looking for those keywords to make sure that when somebody types in pressure washing in your area, that they're showing them a site that is relevant to what they're searching for. So you probably got 200 or 300 words on there. This is one of the competitors that came up. Kind of the same thing. They don't have a ton of content. They probably have a little bit more than you do, but not a lot. So super easy to beat out. You come over here. This is another one that I found. All decent looking sites. They just don't have a ton of content on there. And, Google's really looking for that to find the keywords and stuff like that so that they know that you're relevant for what people are searching for. This is Ahrefs. This is one of the tools that we use to break down sites. So you're currently not showing up for any organic keywords whatsoever on your site. So, that's why the content is important to be able to get those keywords in there. If we go over here, these guys are showing for 53. These guys only have 5. But what we can do with this tool, I can go in here and see what keywords these guys are showing up for. Pressure cleaning Wellington. There's 50 people a month that search for that keyword. They're in the 6th position. So a little bit more than halfway down the first page, and they're getting about 4 people a month coming to their site. Pressure washing Wellington, Florida. There's 30 people looking for that one. 7 people they're in the 7th position. They're getting 1 or 2 visits a month on average. But those are the type of keywords that I really look for. I call them generic keywords because that's what people are going to type in. If they don't know what company they're looking for, they're going to type in what they want done and where they want it done. So I look for these keywords that say what you do and where you are. So we really want to get some of that stuff into your content, help you get bumped up on there. The other thing is the citations. This is called the Google Map Pack. And your citations are what help you get ranked in this section. What a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed on multiple directories across the internet, such as Merchant Circle, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's thousands of them out there. We have a tool called Whitespark that we use, and I pulled up yours. You're sitting at 18 citations. All-Star is also at 18, and then Burks is at 14. This number can easily get into the hundreds. That's one of the first things that we do when we take on a client. It takes probably 3 to 4 weeks to do it, but we go into all those directories that we can find, and we try to bump that number up to 200 or 300, just to make you blow those other guys completely out of the water. But so that's kind of the quick cap on citations. That's what helps you get right here in this map pack. From there, I like to go into the backlinks. You currently have 4. A backlink is any site that links back to you, and it's kind of Google's popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the better. They kind of think if all those other sites want to point back at you, that must mean that you're relevant and you're popular and they like you. So Google gives you that little bit of extra authority. All backlinks are not the same. You do want to kind of keep them relevant to what you do. Some of your citations will give you backlinks. You can go out, find pressure washing blogs and stuff like that, or just like community blogs in your area. Read up on some of the articles, comment on it, throw a link in there. Some of those will get you backlinks. There's lots of different ways to do it. But, these guys are showing for 13. These guys are showing for 3. One thing that we can do with this tool is go in and see where they're getting their backlinks from. And, these are some of the directories that they're in, I think. But, with local Yahoo, Biz Community, we can go in and see where they're getting their backlinks from, and go into these same sites and try to get a backlink for you because of it. We'll just kind of copycat what they're doing and then go out and try to find you some more. So that's kind of my quick overview. Like I said, I didn't want to take up much of your time. Just for a quick recap, content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page, 500 to 750 on the back pages. Citations, go out there and get yourself in as many of those directories as you can do. And then on the backlinks, like I said, some of your citations will help with those, but you can also go out and do blog comments, things like that. There's lots of ways to get them. It just takes time to do it. I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, give me a call, 210-383-8401, or just hit me up on Facebook. Thanks for your time.